to get wrinkle-free.
4 simple steps to softer, younger-looking skin in a natural way. Do you ever look in the mirror and wonder, who is that person looking back? Whether you're experiencing the first lines of aging or you have many lines, wrinkles and you'd like to erase, you can take action on Reclaim Your Face. There are a number of steps you can take to slow down or reverse wrinkles and the respect of age. By cleansing your body and making wise choices about what you eat and drink, what you think, and how you respond to life's events. This video shows you how to put the dietary and cleansing programs into action to help soften or erase lines, sags, and wrinkles. This video offers 4 easy steps to help you transform your entire body. Step 1. The quick cleanses begins with an all-day vegetable juice fast or a 2-a-day raw food rejuvenator, both of which will enliven your body and help repair damaged cells. Step 2. Introduces a low-carbohydrate 14-day diet, which includes plenty of vegetables, sprouts, vegetable juices, low-sugar fruit, whole grains, legumes, and lean proteins, and eliminates these substances that increase inflammation and contribute to wrinkles. Step 3. Outlines the cleansing boost programs that will give you an opportunity to experience deep in the organs of your body, such as your intestinal tract, liver, gallbladder, and kidneys. These unique cleansing programs help to flush away toxins that promote aging and can totally transform your face and your health. Step 4. Describes the vitamins and minerals that fight aging, and this step can be incorporated into all the other steps of the Wrinkles Cleanse program. Follow the 4 steps in this video and you can look younger and become healthier. These simple steps can produce great results and you may be surprised with outcome that can help you achieve a more youthful appearance and create the excellent health you may have only dreamed about. Guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like my video. See you next.